this video is going to be nets of prisms and pyramids. Okay, so the first question is we've got to draw the net of this particular triangular prism. So let's get started. Well, if I were you, I would start with the base. It's a good place to always start. And so we will have the side 3 centimeters there by 4 centimeters there. Of course, when you do this, you're going to use a ruler. I don't have a ruler here, so I'll do the best I can. So that's our base. Now then, coming away from the base is that diagonal side. Now that diagonal side has a length of 5 centimeters. So we need to make sure that our side has a length of 5 centimeters. It's still a rectangle, even if it is at a slant. So there it is there. The other side of the base, you've got another rectangle, which is 4 centimeters across. So let's draw that one next. So we've got 4 centimeters that way as well. Now these two meet at the top, but there's also 2 triangles as well. We've got them which are 4 centimeters in height. So we need to come 4 centimeters on both sides and then join those up. You'll use a ruler, as I say, to make that perfect. And that is the net of the triangular prism in front of us. Now we've got to calculate its surface area. So, well, rectangles and squares are quite easy, aren't they? We need to times the length by the width. So this slanted side, the 5 by 4, is going to be 5 times 4, which is 20. This is all in centimeters squared, by the way. The base is 3 times 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. That back side there, which is 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters, is going to be therefore 16 centimeters squared. Now don't forget, when you're doing triangles, it's the base times the height divided by 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, but divided by 2 is 6. So each of these triangles is going to be 6 each. So we have to add up a 20, a 12, a 16, and a 6 and a 6, and that is going to be our total surface area. So 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 20. 2, 1, 1, and that 2 make 6. So our answer is 60 centimeters squared. Now, final question. This is quite challenging. The square base of a pyramid has side length 4 centimeters. The triangular faces of the pyramid are all isosceles triangles with 2 sides of length 5 centimeters. Draw a net for this type of pyramid. You will need to use a compass. Now, I don't have grid lines here and I don't have a ruler or compass, but I'm going to try to illustrate for you the process you're going to need to do. So first of all, get your ruler and pencil and mark out the base of the pyramid, which is 4 centimeters. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, now get your compass, and with your compass set it to be 5 centimeters using a ruler. So make sure the distance is from the center to the point of the compass is 5 centimeters, and then put the point here and start to do some swishes with your compass. There. Now put the point here, do another swish, and look where they meet. And that point where they meet is 5 centimeters from both those 2 corners of the square. Now you need to then do the same process on all 4 sides. So from here we're going to do a swish, and then from here we're going to do another swish. We're going to repeat this again on this far side, and we're going to do the same thing again at the bottom, and then you're going to join up these points. So we already know that that is 5 centimeters, and that is 5 centimeters, that is 5 centimeters, and that is 5 centimeters. In fact, all of these are 5 centimeters. Now they will then meet to form the pyramid we're looking for, made up of 4 isosceles triangles with sides the same length, that being 5 centimeters. And that is how we do it. That's all you need then to access the work in front of you. Good luck.